Okay, welcome back to this video editing lesson, and we're going to talk about Kapwing in this lesson, as we did also in other videos. And if you want to check the other videos, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, and it's called JBDTube, and here you will find all the videos about Kapwing, but also other video editing tools. So just go here in the channel, search for Kapwing. You're gonna find other video guides about Kapwing. And also, if you want to check video editing guides, go to playlist and go to English video courses. Here you have Premiere Pro and other software. So let's start. And today we're going to talk about some other tools of Kapwing. We're gonna create a basic, standard, easy composition here using a video, audio, and also text and subtitles. So we're going to see many different Kapwing tools that we can use. Right now we are live on Twitch, so if you want, you can also follow us on Twitch, and you will find all the information here and other links to support us in the YouTube channel as well. So let's start to work. Let's go to our workspace. This is my workspace here, where I have more than one. So I will just create a new one for you to create a first montage together. So we already talked about the workspace, how it works, what we can find in this part. So we will go straight into the tools that we need. So I will click here. Well, let me get into my JBDTube workspace, and I will click on tools, and we're gonna start off with the studio here. And we will also see the video editor partially, and also the subtitler. These are three tools that we find in the studio. So basically every tool that we see here in this page, it's inside the studio, but we're gonna see those later on. Let's concentrate on only determined topics in this video. So let's get started, and I can start by pasting here a URL. So I can copy, for example, a YouTube URL and paste it here. Okay, I can upload a file. So in this video, I want to show you how to download and import files, video files and audio files. And we will use the VDevo website. This is an excellent website. We can find a lot of stuff here, a lot of excellent videos. If you are looking for something in particular, you can search here. For example, let's search for concert, and also we can apply some filters. So we can check any resolution, it's fine. But well, actually, let's download something not too heavy. So I'm gonna go with 720 pixels for the height, and royalty free. And also I want free clips, so no premium, no editorial, and I don't have any. So I need maybe to get here to any resolution. And that's it. So I have some free stuff here. Now, for example, let's select this one here. You can get any video that you like, of course, but I will select this one, and I will click on free download. And there you go. Now, of course, you can create your own videos. You can create videos with your smartphone, with your camera, save it in your computer, and then you just need the video file. Now, let's wait to download this. And while we wait, let's search for some music. So in this same website here, we can also find music and sound effects. So I will select music. And let's say I want some rock and roll music to go with my video there. And again, we have some free content and some premium content. Let's get this free one here. I can also click play and listen to it, but I don't care right now. I just want to show you the mechanism and how to create a quick photo montage or video montage. And let's click free download as well. And there you go. So I have these audio and video files. Okay, that's enough for what we need to do. So let's jump back into Kapwing and let's get started. So I will click here Well, actually, I will click on upload file. So I will definitely already download, upload the file. So I need to go to the download folder and upload this one here, concert crowd audience. Open. And now I have to wait because this is an online tool, as you know. And so we need to understand that we always need some time for the website to get the files and so on. Okay, so we have these images. I can play it back and forward. Looks like our rock and roll concert. So we got the right audio, I think. Okay, so when we import a video, we already have this track here in the timeline. We already have the timeline because he understands that this is a video montage, not an image montage. So we can export video right away. You can see it there. Okay, let me close this message. And also we can see here we have all media, everything that we have imported so far, and also only in this project. So in this project, we only have the video file. So let's click to add media and let's add this one here. No, sorry, this one here, which is the audio file. Let's open it. So now I have also my audio, and I will click plus to add the audio. Now the track here, it has been placed where my CTI is, my current time indicator. So basically, it's important to understand where I'm working in the timeline, and this is given by this CTI. So you also can snap to the CTI or not. You can see now it's snapping. Okay. Or maybe not. I think this is turned on. It's not easy to understand here when it's turned on or off. Now you can also, yeah, there you go, it snaps. So you can also make shorter videos. You can shorten a track by clicking and dragging from the edges here like that. So I only want this clip, for example, and then bring it back to make it start at 0 seconds. Also, you can use you can enlarge this again, and you can use the split tool. The split tool will cut the clip into 2 parts. So again, I split again, and now it's divided into 3 parts. And maybe I don't want this final part here, and maybe I don't want this initial part, and I only want maybe this part here. So you can use all these tools to clip and create a shorter video. And also I can do that with my audio. So again, I will use this here and define a particular part of my clip that I like. So for example, I want to clip here. So select the track, go here with the CTI, click on split, and there you go. Then you can delete. Sorry, to delete, you hit the delete key on your keyboard, and then we will make it this snap and synchronize. Okay, now if I press play, I will hear music. Yeah, that's perfect. I hear the music and I see the images, and they are very well combined. Okay, now other things that we can use here. We have this purple line. This represents the volume. So probably the concert, well, a video file also has the audio. So if you don't want that, you will turn this to 0 and use only the song or the music file that you have uploaded. Or else you can, maybe if you have a conversation, people speaking, you can increase this and you can decrease the volume here so that this will be like a background, like a carpet sound. It's not going to be interfering with the talking people, things like that. So you can mix the volumes here of different tracks and do what's more appropriate for you. Okay, now we have these 2 tracks here. We can continue to upload and create a more complex video montage, but in this particular video, I want to focus to other basic tools, and then later on, maybe in other courses, in other lessons, we will proceed and talking about other tools. Now, other things we can do here, you can select a track and you can also change it from here. For example, you can change the volume again from here, but also the zoom. And also you can adjust the corners of the frame here. You can see we have round corners. And also if you scroll down, we have other effects here. For example, you can add an outline and other effects. But right now, let's keep it simple. Let's keep it this way. And also in the audio file, we have some adjustments. You can also change the volume and the speed. So you can increase the speed of the music here or the speed of the video if you want to create something more particular. I can also duplicate a layer or delete a layer or a track. You can call it layer, you can call it track, call it as you wish. And what other things we can do here that are pretty important? Let me think. Okay, yeah, we have also, well, we have all media. This is everything we have in our workspace in Kapwing, but we also have scenes. Now we are working with one single scene that it's about 5 seconds long. Now we can add other scenes. So for example, this is another scene. It's empty and it's 3 seconds long. So I can change this. For example, I can change background. I can change the output sides. I can change the, well, other stuff here. And of course, the timing, I can set this, for example, for 1 second. And so I have 2 scenes now in my composition, not 1, but 2. So it's gonna play this one and then it's gonna proceed with this other one. So this is another way we can create a montage of different scenes and different composition altogether. Okay, now for example, maybe I want to switch this. So I click and drag and place this before the actual scene here, and I will bring back this like that. So you can see I have now changed also the format. You can make this whatever format you want. You have many different formats here. You can pick one and change it. Well, also I can change here the background as well. So it goes from here to here. And now I want to insert a text. We already did that previously. So it's simple. We can click on text and type here anything we want. So for example, let's type rock and roll. And of course, everything it's invisible because it's black on black. So I need to change this. Let's make this red. Okay, and of course we don't need this. All right, now this is just an example, of course, but you can play around a lot with these tools. And we can also change here other types of text. We can change the font, and we have outline and other stuff. Okay, now let's get to the scene here, the main scene. Now we can add text, we can add images, we can search for images, we can upload images, we can add emojis and other stuff here. Just search for them or wait for them to load. They're gonna take some time here, but they are loading. We can also show and hide the timeline. So if I press play, now I can see better the preview. And if I hit the timeline again, I can see the timeline here at the bottom. Also, we can see our scenes from here again. And we can go back to one of these scenes by just clicking on the edit. I can delete, I can duplicate, I can edit the duration. Let's say I want to edit this one. So I will go back here. Audio files. Again, we can upload audio from here. I can also record my voice speaking. And also you can upload audio from YouTube. So if you want upload from YouTube, you can do it. Just be careful on the copyright and what will be the use that you will do with the music that you will insert in your composition. Now, if this will remain private, you won't have any problem, but if it go public, then it's a different story. All right, because you know that you can share here, you can share in your different social network. Okay, now let's move on, and here we have the subtitles. So let's get into the subtitles. Now, subtitles are kind of a text applied above the video or the composition. So it's not so different from the standard text. So what we can do here is decide where we want to add the subtitles. So for example, I want to add it approximately 1 second after this composition starts. Okay, so yeah, I can. Well, this is the main composition here to preview where you want to place the subtitles, and here is where they will actually appear and disappear. This line represents appear and disappearing of the subtitles. So let's say I want to add some subtitles here. Well, of course, subtitles are supposed to put in readable word, what people are talking about into the video. Now, right now, I don't really understand what they're singing, so I'm going to make an example here, and I say, okay, I wanna rock and roll all night. Okay, so this is the subtitle that is gonna appear at this moment in my composition. And now again, I can change the font. It's like what we saw before. I can change the sides. I can change the position here also with this one here. Okay, and again, I think also with this. And also I can outline. I can create a background or not. You can decide what effect you want to keep. And also you can translate the subtitles. Now this is a beta version, so it doesn't always work, but you can click here, you can change, let's say from English to whatever, let's say Italian, and you can try this, but this is in beta version, so it's with an artificial intelligence, so it's not always working, I guess, especially if there are some strange words. Yeah, okay, it's working fine. You can see here I have translated this, but I need to get back to English for you guys. So where is English? Oh, how many English are there? Let's say English United States. Okay, now it doesn't know what this means in Italian. So I need to change this back again manually. So I wanna rock and roll all night. Okay, then we can move on. You can continue to add other subtitles here. So if I click add, I say okay, and then I want to move this right here and say, yeah, this will be my first subtitle and this will be my second. And I will type here something else. So let's say, and party every day. Okay, so now my composition is ready here, and I can click done. Sorry, another thing you can do is auto-generate subtitles. So if there is someone speaking here, you can try to, with artificial intelligence, to generate automatically the subtitles. But again, this is a beta version, it's not 100% accurate. Well, I believe that it's not accurate at all, but you can try. You can also select again the language if you don't want the English, but you want another language. And you just click auto generate and see how it goes. Now you can also upload files, SRT format, which is subtitles format. Maybe you have the formats, the subtitles ready in this format here, you just want to upload it. The other way, you can download an SRT file from the subtitles that you have created in here, but be careful because you have to pay for this, so this is not free. These are the premium features of Kapwing, and these are not for free. The rest is for free. Okay, so we're done. Now, let's say done, and let's get back to our composition. So you can see now I also have some subtitles here. So in this project, I have only one video, I have only one audio, and I don't have text, but I have subtitles built in the composition. And okay, it went back to 10 seconds, so I don't know why, so I will bring it back here. So I have this really small video, and I can now export everything here. I can export my composition. So I will go to export. Now this can be a GIF if it's short and if it's not too high in resolution. It can be an image. I can export a single frame here, could become a meme or something like that. Or you can export an animated GIF, which can become an animated meme. I can export only MP3, only the audio file. I can export this as an MP4. So let's go for the video composition. So if I click here, now it's going to elaborate everything. It's gonna render. This is the technical term. It's gonna render all my effects or my texts, everything, all the scenes that I have created, and it's gonna create one single composition out of it. So once it's finished, I can do many things here. So I can download and then open it in a video format in my computer. I can edit this back again, so I can go back and continue to edit. I can make a copy, so I can leave the original secure, and I can change something into a copy, so it can be like option A, option B. And I can make this project private, or I can make it public for anyone who goes on the web and knows that I produce some videos, and that one can see my video. Otherwise, you need to share a link here. So you can share your video in Facebook, in Twitter, in Instagram, or you can copy the link and maybe you can send it via email or via WhatsApp or whatever. Also, you have an embed function. Now, this one here will generate an HTML code, and you will then be able to embed, or let's say import, your video in a web page or in a platform, wherever it is, that it needs a code instead of a simple share button. Well, technically, when you share into this social network, you are generating some sort of a code, but everything is automatic. The embed is kind of for the web developers out there. Okay, or you can start another project. That's it. Now let's wait. I think we are almost there. We need to wait just a little bit more, and hopefully we can see the end of this. So I will show you here the final result. Now let's see if there are some questions or someone. Okay, this is live on Twitch, but I will also publish this video in the YouTube channel so that you can see it more and more times if you want, not just once. And we are going to publish also other videos here in the YouTube channel, and also we will do other live streams in Twitch, so subscribe and stay updated. Okay, so this is the final result here. So if I click here, download, I can download the final result and open it up. This will show me my little video composition. And there it is. Now this is really small, it's really simple, it's really basic, but this is why we are doing this series of lessons. These are for beginners, of course. And if you want something more professional, you can check the Premiere Pro video course in our YouTube channel. Okay, again, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.